What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to episode 10 of Yaya's Eats. Today we're making yet another smoothie bowl, but a much different one from the last one I made. It's going to be a green goddess one. So the first thing I did was slice up my fruit prior to blending my smoothie, because the last time I sliced up the fruit afterwards, and then by the time I finished filming and started eating my smoothie, it was watery, which was hell of annoying. So we're doing that first. That way, after my smoothie is blended, it will be nice and easy. Just top the smoothie with the fruit and I'll be good to go. So now I am slicing my kiwi there, and I cannot tell you how excited I was when I first sliced into it and it was that color. That's the color I was looking for in my last smoothie video, which I did not get, but that's all good. So that's what everything looks like. I put it in the fridge. Did not cover it because I literally was putting it in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes while I blended my smoothie. So then I go to my freezer and grab my frozen mangoes and pineapples and get to assembling everything. And then I add my baby spinach. Now the packaging claimed that it had been washed already, but you never know. So I washed it again and then added on my oat milk. Now oat milk has been a game changer for smoothies. I used to use almond milk, and then my smoothie will come out a little too watery for my liking. And then I add on 4 heaping scoops of plain yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. And then some matcha for some extra greenness. I got the matcha last year at the height of the pandemic and never got around to using it until today. So I shake everything up nicely, close that nice and tight, and then get to blending. And that right there is the true test of thickness. And so now I pour everything into my bowl. And then I get to assembling my fruit. As you can see there, I was struggling a little bit trying to decide how I wanted to line everything up. Same thing with the peaches. I'll be honest, this smoothie bowl was scheduled to air next month in March because St. Patrick's Day, which I don't celebrate, but I love the color green. It's actually one of my favorite colors, but hey, it's all good. I'm sure I'll find something to replace this video with. You never know, I might have an acai smoothie bowl coming your way with all that deep blue, or a pumpkin smoothie bowl with all that yellow and orange. So yes, at the very end there, I just added some chia seeds for some extra fiber, and that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye!